Hello, good evening everybody. Ice cream at 10 o'clock at night and it's cold.
I think these kids need some exercise. How about everyone goes for a nice swim in the indoor pool?
Yeah! Come on, you lot.
Dapat mango sa akin eh. Yung anak ko nakapagpalit. Hap.
This way to the pool. Walk straight.
Grabe tax dito. Ang kasag. Yung
It is.
bumili ako ng 2 kid size na ice cream.
I don't know how.
Tapos, yung anak kong lalaki, yung isang ice cream, small, $25. Ganun kamahal.
Well, I don't have any other ideas.
Ito na lang.
You're old enough to walk by yourself.
Puti na yung breakfast dito. Free.
Oh, nonsense. He's got 2 legs. This way.
Kung na, napakamahal. Ha?
Stay down.
Napakamahal ng mga bilihin dito.
I don't think
Ang lawa, ang ano ng tax. Grabe.
Next one is the pool. Enjoy your swim, sweeties.
Oh,
Now,
God.
if I let you out to there, are you going to behave yourself, or are you just gonna fly up to the roof? Come to Mama, little Gecky.
I'm still timing you, Bingo.
But I have to catch Gecky.
Hap.
You brush your teeth. I'll catch Gecky.
No.
Kalat.
Find your hat. I'll catch Gecky.
Pinuno nila masyado yung ice cream.
Find it.
Have you looked?
Pero ang kinaganda nito mo, mga people,
Oh, there it is.
that,
Gecky.
ang kinaganda rito is,
Hurry up and
paglabas ko ng hotel, may Starbucks sa gilid, may ice cream place sa gilid, maglalakad ka lang ng konti, may grocery store doon, may mga tacos, may Mexican food, tapos may mga may mga CVS, mga outlet, nandun na lahat. As in, hindi ka na mag-leave, hindi ka na magkokotse kasi nandun na lahat. Pero yun nga lang, walang Filipino food. Walang Filipino food, walang rice, wala lahat.
hurry up.
We won 3 games and we lost 1, and we tied 1. You got
Oh,
ice cream without me?
Yun lang.
I want
Kaya,
some.
masaya.
Can I have some, please?
Masaya.
Yeah, I can have some.
Masaya.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye-bye.